Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Airtel 5G plan is active and that your SIM is the newer 5G type. This matters because older SIMs won't authenticate. Once done, make sure your phone supports the local 5G bands and that 5G is selected in mobile network settings. Then reboot the device to force a fresh network attach. This clears cached registration problems and often restores service quickly. If you have dual SIM, temporarily disable the other SIM. Next, inspect local signal and cell info. Use field test mode to see serving cell and band, because being on the wrong band or weak beam causes drops. Toggle airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds to force full reselection. This often moves you to a stronger cell. Make sure carrier settings and phone firmware are current, and reset or re-enter the Airtel APN parameters if they were altered, since incorrect APN leads to data fallback, even with 5G coverage. Finally, if local fixes fail, gather evidence and escalate. Record timestamps, signal readings, IMEI and SIM IXID. Then contact Airtel support and request a radio site check or reboot. You should also swap in a known good 5G phone or another Airtel 5G SIM to determine whether the issue is your device or the network. If the network is at fault, insist on a technician visit. Meanwhile, use Wi-Fi calling or a temporary 4G fallback until Airtel confirms resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.